'Pag nag-retire ako sa Manila, retirement income namin may masa-save pa ako, na malaki, substantial. 'Pag nag-retire ako sa Las Vegas, may masa-save ako pero maliit na lang. 'Pag nag-retire ako sa Bay Area, and the cost of living there is so high, deficit ako. So, gano'n ang difference. It's huge. It's a huge difference. Housing na lang, kakainin na ng retirement mo. And then taxes pa dito is so heavy, you know. I feel California is not a good place to retire just because of the taxes, the cost of living. So yeah, na-compare ko na lahat yan. Kasi, syempre, iisip ko, we've lived here for a long time, no? Paano kaya mamuhay pag-retire dito? But save the maximum, and the amount of savings you have will actually dictate where you can retire comfortably. Ang hirap nung math na gusto ko mag-retire say, sa Portugal, in 25 years. Magkano yan ako? Ang hirap na i-approximate nun kasi ang tagal pa eh.
So Ate Gino, I like your definition of retirement kasi it's really doing what you want, when you want it,
Yes.
wherever you want. Which, if we are working, hindi natin nagagawa. And
Kulang eh. Kulang oras.
yes. Yes. Kasi instead of us working for money, we want, when the time comes, money will work hard for us para
Correct.
hindi na tayo magtrabaho. And
Correct.
that is also the things that you have been advocating.
Correct.
So, siguro, no, kasi we've been talking about retirement and you are based in the Bay Area, San Francisco, California, and your plan is retiring in the Philippines. Ano ba yung differences kung sakali lang, theoretically, mag-retire ka sa US versus mag-retire ka sa Pilipinas?
Naku, may spreadsheet ako niyan. Ang buhay ko nasa spreadsheet. Meron comparison. If I retire in Manila, if I retire in Las Vegas, or if I retire in San Francisco. Pag nag-retire ako sa Manila, retirement income namin, may masa-save pa ako, na malaki, substantial. Pag nag-retire ako sa Las Vegas, may masa-save ako pero maliit na lang. Pag nag-retire ako sa Bay Area, and the cost of living there is so high, deficit ako. So gano'n ang difference. It's huge. It's a huge difference. Housing na lang, kakainin na ng retirement mo. And then taxes pa dito is so heavy. I feel California is not a good place to retire just because of the taxes, the cost of living. So yeah, na-compare ko na lahat yan. Kasi, syempre, iisip ko, we've lived here for a long time, no? Paano kaya mamuhay pag-retire dito? But then doing the math, I could see very well na talo pag dito. Umuwi na lang ako. Tsaka mas masaya ako sa atin.
Yeah, iba talaga pagka umuwi sa Pilipinas, nandun yung
Iba
community.
talaga. I mean, that's not true for all, but to me, doon ako masaya.
Yeah. Pero siguro, for people who are Pinoys, and to them, wala naman silang babalikan sa Pilipinas, wala yung family na nila, and they want to retire, let's say, in the US or in whatever state, or maybe, sige, sa California, how much should they set aside para at least they can retire there? Kasi to some, wala naman babalikan sa Pilipinas, kaya no choice eh. They need to retire in the US or in whatever state. How much kaya they should prepare or save para at least they can retire sa Amerika?
Alam mo, I always say, save to the max, no? Save to whatever maximum you can save. Kung 15% to 20%. Kasi, think about it, Neil. If you are trying to save for retirement and you're 25 years old, dahil factors na mag-a-affect ng prices by the time comes na magre-retire ka na when you're 60 or 65. You don't know the rate of inflation. So you really can't account for ito yung exact amount na isa-save ko para mag-retire ako sa San Francisco when I'm 65, when you're only 30 years old, no? Mahirap yon. Mahirap i-math yon. Unless magre-retire ka na in 5 years, yun, medyo mas malapit na yung window, mas mako-compute mo yon. Pero yung rate of inflation and other factors, baka biglang bumagsak ang housing market o biglang umakyat ang housing market, depende sa mga infrastructure dito. you couldn't really say how much you need to save to be able to live in San Francisco or in the Philippines or wherever, but save the maximum. And the amount of savings you have will actually dictate where you can retire comfortably. Ang hirap nung math na gusto ko mag-retire sa, say, sa Portugal, in 25 years. Magkano yan ako? Ang hirap na i-approximate nun kasi ang tagal pa eh. Pero if you save the maximum amount that you can, then it affords you more option of where to retire. Katulad na nung na-example ko, dahil sa taas ng cost of living sa San Francisco, I mean, it has not become my option to retire here. Kasi nag-save man ako ng maximum, hindi ko pa rin afford ang San Francisco sa retirement income ko. Kasi ganun siya kamahal. So I couldn't provide a number of how much if they want to retire at a certain fees. Pero mag-ipon na lang sila ng maximum na may ipon nila.
Yeah. So, as much as they can, especially if they
much
plan
as
to
they-
retire sa America.
Correct.
Yeah.
It gives
Pero-
them a wider option.
Yeah. What if they are sure na magre-retire sa Pilipinas? Maximum pa rin ba i-save or pwedeng mas mababang percentage na kasi the cost of living
Oo.
sa Pilipinas or maximum pa rin kahit sa Pilipinas?
Well, it's always the maximum kasi sa Pilipinas, depende eh. Kung magre-retire sila pero wala pa silang bahay doon, di bibili pa sila ng bahay. Bibili pa sila ng lupa, papatay sila ng bahay, bibili sila ng bahay at lupa. So malaki yung cost nila, di ba? Depende sa tao eh. Ako, magre-retire ako doon pero may bahay na kami. So wala na yun sa math ko. Hindi na ako mag-iipon para sa bahay kasi meron na kami. So kung let's say hindi ko pa alam saan magre-retire, tapos naisip ko Pilipinas, I don't have to save as much kasi may bahay na. So depende sa needs ng tao. But it just affords you more options if you save to the max kesa there's a certain amount. Alam mo, kahit na sabihin nating mababa ang cost of living sa Pilipinas, I mean, mababa siguro sa mga rural areas sa probinsya. Pero alam mo dyan, I mean, I was there last June. Yung mga expenses ko nung nandyan ako we were in the BGC area and mahal nag-grocery ako. Hindi ko na alam magkano ang mahal at mura sa Pilipinas. I always have to compute it and convert it to dollars. Pag nag-grocery ako, sabi ko, para ako nag-grocery sa States. Mahal ang cost of living na rin ng Metro Manila area, Manila, Labang, ganyan. So, depende rin kung saan ka maninirahan. Kung may bahay ka na, pero sa probinsya ka may bahay at doon ka maninirahan, of course, hindi mo siguro na kailangan, siguro with your social security pension na makukuha mo from the States, okay na yon. Pero kung sa metropolitan area ka titira, like yung Makati, mahal na rin dyan. So, then kailangan pa ng mas maraming pera dahil rental na lang ng isang condo unit, mahal na, or a single family house. Yeah, so, wala akong mabigay na number pero save na lang kayo fully.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's a given, at least in your case, it's really the Philippines aside sa Pinoy, and you have already family investments here. Was